Wow, what a first game of this series. We are joined by best player of the game, Jonard Clarito, and winning coach, Yang Giao. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach Yang, can you take us back to those last few plays? What a game. What did you hold on to in those last few minutes, and what did you think became your advantage in the end game?
Advantage is just willing to battle. We were just trying to grind it out. Nung natirahan kami ng 3, 4 yatang 4-point shots yun. A team of weaker stuff would have folded up. No? So it's a testament to the character of the guys. You're able to come back out of that. Also, Magnolia really surprised us because they tried to play the kind of game that we also play, and they were able to keep up with us. No? But I guess yun nga, we made some big plays. The 3-point shot by Kaylan, then some missed shots, or we forced some stops, crucial stops. We were able to prevent them from executing. Actually, medyo na-stuck yata sila sa 102 for a while. So that was the stretch where we played really good defense. For a while, we couldn't solve the side ball screen between Paul, Baroka, and their bigs. Nahirapan kami ng coverage namin. Pero yun nga, after a while, we found a solution to it. Also, Aaron just did a yeoman's job in the middle. No? 2020 na naman yata siya. No? So we feel that he's really the anchor that we can rely on, no? Game after game. So yun, palagay ko, our character is being tested, and at least for now, we passed the test.
Coach, you mentioned Magnolia surprising you, trying to beat you in your own fast-paced game, and also erupting from the outside. Ano po yung mga nakikita niyong adjustments that you have to clean up before the next game?
Oh, we only have tomorrow kasi sunod-sunod yung mga laro. We will watch the video tomorrow again, and we will try to find the solution. Right now, kanina kasi ano lang no? We just asked the guys to play it by ear. If we need to switch, we switch. If we need to triple switch, we triple switch. So maybe tomorrow we can find a really good scheme so that on Friday we're able to better handle it. Pero yun ang almost pumatay sa amin, at saka yung mga 4-point shots nila. Fantastic, insane percentages. No? Parang 4 points. To shoot 50% from 4 points, that's amazing. No? That's just insane. No? I just don't know if they can keep repeating that.
Thank you, Coach. Moving on to you, Jonard. Sabi nga ni Coach Yang, pinanghawakan niyo yung inyong character. Nung nag-run ng Magnolia when they had a big lead at nung may chance sila to get this win, ano ba yung mga naging usap-usapan yung teammates? And how did you maintain your composure as a team and ikaw rin personally?
Nung nag-huddle kami dun sa loob, ang sabi lang namin, kailangan namin mag-stop. Tsaka kailangan namin mag-focus sa game para maka-run din kami. Tsaka lagi naman sinasabi ni Coach Cheng, defense first before the offense.